In today's video, the spotlight is on a component that doesn't often get the attention it deserves, yet is absolutely fundamental to how diesel-powered heavy equipment operates. If you're involved in the repair, operation, or management of large-scale machinery, particularly Caterpillar equipment, this is something you should definitely understand. This is a diesel fuel injection pump designed for the CAT C9.3 engine. It's compatible with popular excavator models such as the E336E and E336F. The reference part numbers are 493, 9679 and 369, 6680. These identifiers are crucial because they confirm you're sourcing a direct fit replacement that requires no customization, fabrication, or adjustments during installation. The role of the fuel injection pump in a diesel engine is critical. It's responsible for delivering fuel into the combustion chamber under precise pressure and timing conditions. Any deviation, such as a drop in fuel pressure, delayed injection, or inconsistent volume delivery, can negatively impact power, fuel economy, and even cause long-term internal damage to the engine. The pump featured here isn't just any generic component. It's been engineered with attention to both structural strength and precision performance. It's not flashy, it doesn't have to be. Instead, its value lies in what it enables: reliable combustion, stable engine RPMs, improved fuel atomization, and minimized emissions. In heavy-duty environments, especially in machines running long hours under load, that's everything. One of the key reasons this pump stands out is the fact that it's built to handle the operational extremes that equipment like the E336E is exposed to. Heat, dust, vibration, pressure changes, and long run times are the norm, not the exception. The materials used in this pump, along with its precision machined internals, allow it to function under these conditions consistently without early wear or failure. Another strong point is its OEM spec compatibility. Many aftermarket alternatives on the market may promise a universal fit, but what they often lack is precision and tolerances. This pump, on the other hand, is built specifically to match CAT's engineering standards. The mounting points are identical, the connection ports line up perfectly, and the fuel delivery characteristics are calibrated to mirror the factory specs. When installing this pump, you won't need to worry about custom brackets or complicated reprogramming. The electrical connector fits snugly, and the mechanical alignment is exact. It's designed to integrate directly with the CAT C9.3 system and begin working immediately once primed and activated. That's a huge benefit for technicians who are trying to get equipment back online quickly, especially in field conditions. There's also something to be said about reliability. In operations where machines are running 10 to 14 hours a day, failure is not an option. This pump is built for longevity, offering consistent performance over thousands of hours. The internal components have been treated to resist corrosion, wear, and thermal degradation, three of the most common failure modes in older or lower-grade pumps. For owners managing multiple machines, downtime costs money, whether it's idle operators, halted production, or project delays. Having a reliable replacement pump on hand, or even installing this one preemptively during a scheduled maintenance cycle, can make a huge difference in operational efficiency. And even from a performance standpoint, a worn fuel injection pump can lead to rough idling, hard starts, poor acceleration, excess smoke, or a drop in fuel efficiency. Replacing it with a calibrated and compatible pump like this one can restore lost performance and bring the engine back to optimal function. Fuel system diagnostics often point to injector timing or inconsistent pressure issues when a pump begins to fail. If you've already checked filters, lines, and the injectors themselves, and the problem persists, this is the next logical step, and most likely the fix. One notable feature is that this pump arrives pre-configured and sealed for direct installation. There's no need for tuning or advanced fuel mapping after installation, it's already dialed into factory parameters. This saves time and eliminates potential errors caused by manual adjustments. Shipping and handling are done professionally. The packaging is shock absorbent and secure, protecting the unit during transit and keeping all mounting points and connections safe from contamination. This is especially important if you're shipping to remote sites or keeping parts in stock for emergency repairs. It's worth mentioning that before installation, a basic inspection of the old pump should be done to determine failure signs such as fuel leakage, erratic pressure, or internal scoring. If those symptoms are present, this replacement unit can address them immediately and prevent further engine strain. Another